tilling widths of 68 inches and 76 inches. The double-edged replaceable tines pivot in both directions for maximum cutting ability in either forward or reverse. The offset design leaves no visible wheel track and provides a tilling depth of up to 6 inches deep. With a 1/2 inch skid plate and protected motor, the Blue Diamond skid steer rototiller will meet your heavy-duty tilling requirements. And of course, it's covered by Blue Diamond's 100% satisfaction guarantee. Let's see it in action.